Here's a fun geometry challenge for you. A right triangle has a hypotenuse of 6 meters, and a circle is perfectly inscribed within it, touching all 3 sides. The radius of the circle is 1 meter. Can you figure out the area of the triangle? Let's solve step by step. Draw perpendiculars to the 3 sides of the triangle. Connect vertex A and C to center of circle. Now we have upper pair of triangle and lower pair of triangle and a square. The tangent lengths from A and C vertices to the points where the circle touches the hypotenuse are x and y respectively. From geometry of hypotenuse, we can write x plus y equals 6. The total area of the triangle can be found by summing the areas of its components. Total area equals area of square plus area of upper pair of triangle plus area of lower pair of triangle is equal to 1 times 1 plus 2 times x times 1 divided by 2 plus 2 times y times 1 divided by 2 equals 1 plus x plus y equals 1 plus 6. Area of right triangle equals 7 meters square.